Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Panther Island Pavilion on the Trinity Trails taking a beautiful sunset on Trinity River. Y'all stick around. Hey guys, I'm so glad y'all stuck around. Having dinner at Gus's, so we decided to stop here and take this beautiful sunset. There is no time lapse, but there are some gorgeous photos. So let's take a look at them and I'll be back with you after it's done. Unless you know you can get into it over here. And then just go all the way over there to the corner. Or to the right of it. Started making a panoramic here. And I shot 4 rows with 12 shots per row, 48 shots, and I got this image. Very cool. Hey guys, those photos turned out awesome. I'm glad y'all stuck around for that. Hey guys, if you like these types of videos, click on that subscribe button down below and hammer the hell out of that bell and you'll get an email notification that I've uploaded a video. And guys, if you'd like to be an insider and a supporter of Lone Star Rider, click on that button right up there and check out my Patreon site. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch you on the road. Beautiful sunset. Smile, you're on candy camera.
Hi.
Hey guys, I'm blah blah. Hey guys, those photos, and you'll get an email notification that somebody just ran by. Hey guys, if you like these